Good morning from day 2 on the Disney Wish. It is 10:30. We had a really good night's sleep because it was a late night. Probably woke up around 8, went to Marceline Market, and for breakfast I went and brought them food, got coffee. Coffee's really good. And now we're gonna head over to the Incredi-Games Course. It's up for about 4 hours for all ages. Later in the day it's up for tweens, but we're gonna go do that and then hit the pool in a little bit. And yeah, so this is our first full day. So this is a day at sea. Tomorrow we're at Castaway Cay, so there's only 2 full days on the ship, even though yesterday was a full day. So let's go to the Incredi-Games Course. So we walked up and they're doing this awesome picture. No dapping. So what an awesome picture. And it's our favorite photographer, Davison. So this is what it means to be a media cruise, because everybody, these are all the radio stations that are on board and they're broadcasting from here. So that's a really great location to take a picture. I'll put our pictures, even though Ryder was having trouble with the sun. So here's our pictures. And yeah, that's a really great picture. I can't wait to see how that turns out. So now we're going to the Incredi-Games. So here's the Incredi-Games all set up. It looks awesome. It looks awesome. And there's not much of a wait. It doesn't look like the wait's that long, I don't know. So it should be a long time. So I'm gonna let them go first, and I'm gonna film them, and then we're gonna switch, and I'm gonna go through it right after that. Ryder! Like this is set up for about 4 hours in the day, and there's different times. So it's 4 hours all ages today, right now, and then in the afternoon it's going to be for tweens, and there's a couple different times. It's going to be open a couple times today. I don't know if that's typical or if that's because it's a media cruise, but you know, we're going to try and do it as much as we can because Ryder's excited. You literally just missed it. Are you kidding me? I literally just went. The Aquamouse. It's 12:15. They closed the Incredi-Games Course after my son and my husband went the second time, and so I couldn't do it. They told us to come back in an hour. We did, and we came back in an hour, and it was closed again for media. So that was unfortunate. I still haven't gotten to do the Incredi-Games Course, but line for the Aquamouse is pretty long. So it started, I was by the pool over there, and you think, okay, it's not that bad, but then when you get up here, it's pretty much a queue. So I don't know how long it's going to take me. My husband and son are out in the pool somewhere, letting them enjoy, so I'm just kind of taking one for the team and doing the line, and we'll see how long it takes. And I don't know if you can see, that's Mickey and Goofy right over there doing some pictures. There doesn't look like to be a photocast photographer. That was not one of the scheduled character greetings. So I think they're just out doing some pictures. Yeah, so I just noticed this. It says 60 minutes. When I got in line, it said 5 minutes, which I knew was wrong, but they just changed it, so it looks to be an hour wait. Yeah.
Playing in the pool and frozen on the screen. Right. Hi.
So we're at the front of the line. Ryder and Ray are here, and they're excited. Ryder, excited?
Look at mommy, look at mommy.
I'm excited.
I'm not gonna go, I'm just gonna watch them get on, and then they're gonna go. Ryder, are you excited?
He goes in front? Okay.
He's bringing it for them. They're gonna get in. is it? So lots of pools on this ship. Really cool setup. So we went back to the barbecue place for lunch. However, because all the pool deck is blocked off for all the media, there's nowhere to eat. So we ended up having to come to Marceline Market just to get a table. It is what it is. But I did get a charcuterie board, which looks amazing. So I'm really curious to see what they have for lunch here. So I'm going to take a look, even though we got the barbecues. The barbecue's amazing. And the line for Donald's Cantina was like Aquamouse long. So I'm going to do a quick tour of what they have at Marceline Market for lunch because it looks really good. There's the chef's counter. Steak. We had that was really good. Here we have lamb, chicken, charcuterie board, assorted bread. Here is the signature choices. Tiki masala.
Can I please get a chicken leg with just a little bit of...
And in the middle on each side is the kids counter. Hello. Got the staples for the kids. And this is the market deli. Soup of the day is Mexican tortilla, which looks delicious, and French lentil. Then you have some assorted salads. There we go. So grilled chicken salad, half salad. And then you got some stir-fried chicken tenders and crispy pork. And then the desserts.
Can I get just a little bit of crispy pork?
Not many gluten-free options, which is probably a good thing. And then this is the line for the sundaes. You can get chocolate chip cookies, and then you get ice cream, and they have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And then over here is a sticky date pudding.
I like the side.
So even though the Mickey and Friends is so good, or the Festival of Foods, the Marceline Market looks really good as well for lunch. So I wouldn't skip out on it either. So the food's really good on the ship. So now we just came out, and the line for the Aquamouse was about a half an hour. So we're gonna do it now. I'm gonna ride with Ryder, and Ray's gonna ride with some random stranger. So I'm on the Aquamouse, and Ryder's in front of me. Give a thumbs up. Let's go. Since Ray waited, and he's gonna ride with Ray now. Alright, you get to ride twice! Have fun! Try to look this time, okay?
Oh yeah, where are you gonna go?
Right where you come out of the sun. Alright, Ryder, look! Ryder, turn around! Still not looking. So Aquamouse was awesome. So now we're gonna ride the Slide-A-Saurus Rex, which is the other slide. So actually, I'm not gonna ride it. Ray's gonna ride it, and Ray's gonna film for me. Let him do some work. And here's the slide.
Ryder's jamming. Here's the other slide. Waiting for that light to go green. Right, Ryder? Yeah. Oh, it's green, it's green! It's green! Go, buddy, go!
You got turned around there, huh, buddy?
Woohoo! Woohoo!
The Spinosaurus Rex, but look how fun this queue is. It's got music blaring. It just sounds like so much fun.
Ryder, look! Bye!
It is Mickey's pants. There they are. There's Mickey's pants. So Ryder and I are back on the Aquamouse. Ray and Ryder just rode and we did the switch. There's no single riders right now because they said single riders is making the ride get stuck. So there's no single riders. So I am going to film myself riding the ride. So we'll see how it goes.
I thought about that too. Woohoo!
So I didn't do an outro for earlier today, so this will be the outro, even though I'm already dressed up for dinner. Great day at sea, did a lot, and the second part of day 2 will be going to, obviously, Frozen, Arendelle for dinner, and whatever else we do. I think, oh, tonight's Pirate Night too, so that'll be part 2 coming later. But with that, if you like this video, click like, all of that. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.